Good morning. It's morning, so listen. Silence is golden. Because sometimes in here in an evening, it is manic. There are just families in, children in having lessons, adults having lessons as well, but it's just boom, 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 boom. There can be like 5 rooms all going at the same time, especially Monday evenings. That's probably the busiest time. Oh, Monday actually can sometimes be more busy than a Saturday. It's a weird thing. But anyway, it's quiet. It's early in the morning. Drummers have not got up yet. That's what it is. They rest in because they work hard when they're doing their shows. So I'm going to show you these things just to mention a couple of bits again. This went up on a bit of social media yesterday. Everybody is very loves this little kit, as it were, but we're right in the middle of sorting this out with the customer. The problem we have is the kits are complicated, aren't they? If you own a guitar shop, people come into a guitar shop. I'll just show you them while I'm talking to you. They own a guitar shop, you buy a guitar and you sell a guitar. And it's like, there you are, one guitar in, one guitar out, whatever. It's just a piece of wood with 6 strings on it. But oh no, not drums. Drums come with hardware, with cymbals. What types of cymbals? Your pedals, all the bits, the shell pack, the cases. So when people come in, sometimes this might come in as a complete package, for an example. It's got everything attached to it. But then someone comes in and they haven't got maybe that amount of money to buy the whole package, but they may have their own cymbals as well or their own stands, but they love the shell pack. So we end up breaking it all down, and it's very complicated, and it takes a lot of work. Mentally, it can be straining as well because there's so much of what everybody wants. Packing them up is always a big job as well. That's why I think a lot of music shops ended up not doing drums so much, because they are bulky. They take up a lot of room because they're just empty shells at the end of the day, aren't they? Big lumps of air. And the packing and the sorting does take a lot of time and a lot of work, because you have to look after these babies when you're shipping them to somebody. So anyway, going back to it, this is being sorted. Hopefully today now we'll finalise the whole thing. The customer was originally having that kit, and now he wants this one, but somebody else has come in now and they want that one anyway. So we are working these out, but that might have to be traded against, whereas this one is straight through, which makes it a little cleaner for us. The next one, as I've mentioned in my previous videos, this is possibly in the next week or two now, that will take shape, and that one will be getting sorted to go out as well. We'll do a small deposit for people to put a hold on the kits. So if somebody says, I always wanted this particular kit, please, 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 then they put a deposit, we put it up as sold, and we give them a period of time. And if they don't end up buying it, it's not the end of the world. We just put it back up for sale anyway. Everything always moves through. But if they obviously want it, then they got a little bit of breathing space, a little bit of time just to sort themselves out and get organised. There's some other things I've got to do. I'm going to do videos on the fact that we need a snare wall. I'll explain that on another day. And we need to somehow expand the cymbal wall as well. It's just so much to do. So I'm going to show you this one. It's coming on Saturday. And again, this is, these are either people that have decided to pack up. I'm kneeling down here for you. They've decided to close up playing drums now, or they're trade-ins. So people are buying a brand new kit in a box. We just put the box to them, off that goes, and then the trade comes in and we need to sell the goods that they got. So again, even that, it takes time. Everything takes a little time. It's not easy of just simply in and out. You have to work with people now. But more and more people are coming here because they have a fair deal and they trust that we're going to look after their babies and sell them to somebody that will look after them as well. So we got this Yamaha. This is the Stage Custom. So this is a little bit older, This is about 20-year-old, I believe. But the condition, if I can bring you around and show you, the condition is immaculate. Like even the front drum head, What an absolute boot of a drum kit. So that's going to be a nice little price for somebody there. And that is a lovely kit with the snare drum. We can also do the hardware for somebody to get started. It has got the floating toms. We're going to sort that out tomorrow morning. This will have all the photography and away to go. That is a cracking kit for somebody. So yes, lots going on here. What we'd like you to do, if you would please, is if you're interested in any of the things I show you in my videos, first of all, give us a thumbs up and all the rest of it, but message us via the website. Because I get in messages and tags and different things, it's hard to keep up with everybody. So if you don't mind, if you're interested in any of these, bung us a little email and we'll instantly put a hold on the kit for you, and then we sort it out via that email of working out how you want to pay for it and how long you want to take to pay for it and so on. Whoops, just dropped you there nearly. So there you go. And I said I'd take you down this side of the shop, didn't I? And by the way, I wouldn't want to sell guitars anyway. Oh, drums, 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 always drums. Right, I got work to do now. Got absolutely loads and loads and loads to do. So we'll see you very, very soon. Take care all. Thank you very much. And da bochi, over and out.